At Avrion, our Maximizer CRM implementation packages are straightforward and designed to make your life easier. With Quick Start, we transfer our knowledge, giving you the skills to do your own implementation. And with Quick Start Assist, a more guided service, working with you to get it right, completely hands-on. Our packages come with training for users and the most generous discount. You'll be able to implement your CRM immediately with best advice from Avrion, the most successful Maximizer EMEA partner. Our first job is to get your CRM up and running quickly with our team's unparalleled experience. Whichever package you choose, we promise exceptional value for money because we are there to make sure you get it right first time. There is no finite finish point with CRM and digital transformation. With Avrion as your technology partner, you get to enjoy a relationship that continuously delivers value. Maximizer is a global brand and is demonstrably good value in the CRM marketplace. With a company like Avrion alongside you, that value is significantly increased, with experience that money can't buy. Once the system is ready to go, the value does not end there. From our ongoing support to helping you evolve your business, we offer a wide range of technologies that help you to integrate, streamline, automate, and innovate the way you work. This bundling of our services ensures you, as the customer, will be acquiring the whole package in a way that you can embrace the CRM software swiftly, with user adoption as a priority. With the comfort of an experienced team, your CRM implementation can be achieved in a time-efficient way, with best practice guaranteed.